Are you ready? Are you ready?
Let's have some breakfast.
A magical breakfast!
Buzz, 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 buzz.
Who is that? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's a bag! Oh, it's a bag!
Did somebody say breakfast? Try this cereal. Ha! There's nothing in it. I fooled you. But I do have this muffin. Gas. It's banana nut. It's squished. Yeah, it's crushed. No, it's not. That's how magical muffins look. What's so magic about it? It's just sitting there. It's crushed. Shut up. It just is magic, okay? How is it magic? It's not magic at all. No one knows what you're talking about. It's magic. What does it mean? I'm a giant bee. If it's magic, then give it to me. Fine. Wait a second. No, it's my muffin. And you know where you can find it? Where? It's in your hand. Where can I find it? It's hot in
Look, I found it! Hide and go see! Oh, I found it!
No. Bingo! All of this math, I'm going to hide the muffin, the magical muffin, and that's where you're going to find it. You are here. This is the most Vegas math I've ever seen. Ah! Buzz!
He's got issues. Where do we have to go?
Head straight onto Yellow Brick Road.
Nothing is yellow brick!
Yes, it is. Okay. Once you're off Yellow Brick Road, head straight to Elvis Boulevard.
That's not straight, that's curved.
You know what's curved?
What?
A banana.
Oh,
Oh.
Watch out for that. Why don't we just eat that and forget about the stupid freaking muffins?
Oh, no, because I am hungry and I
You
want my
need to
breakfast.
shut up.
No, I am hungry and I want breakfast.
Banana has fiber, and that's better. Even if it is a banana nut muffin.
Fiber. Okay.
Wait, what's the last place that's on the map?
Charlie Charlie
Well, we just passed
Wonka
it.
in the chocolate Wonka Charlie Factory Wonka chocolate bar Wonka. Wake up! This is not the factory. This is not a factory.
What's the last clue? The gnome. There's a gnome.
The gnome.
There's a gnome right there.
But that doesn't mean it snowed. No, hey, get back here, old lady.
Excuse me?
You are excused.
Ouch!
found the muffin. I want to eat that. We found the magic muffin! Oh my god! Stop, Andrea. I have a hostage.